Welcome back to my channel, fam. Today, we're going to talk about something that is very important in today's digital age. Yes, you guessed it right. Personal branding. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 things you need to remember to build a strong personal brand that reflects your unique personality and expertise. First things first, always keep in mind that personal branding isn't just about creating a perfect image of yourself. It's about showcasing your authentic self and aligning it with your professional goals. Remember that your personal brand is more than just a logo or a website. It's all about your story, your voice, and your value proposition. Now, let's dive into our first tip. If you want to build a strong personal brand, you need to have a clear idea of who you are, what you stand for, and what you want to achieve. This means having a strong personal vision statement that defines your purpose and values. Your personal vision statement should inspire and guide your actions and decisions. Next up, it's time to define your niche. This means identifying your specific area of expertise and focusing on it. Think about what sets you apart from others in your industry. What unique skills, experiences, and knowledge do you bring to the table? Once you've identified your niche, you'll be able to create content that showcases your expertise and adds value to your audience. Moving on to our third tip, it's important to have a consistent brand message across all platforms. This means using the same tone of voice, branding elements, and messaging throughout your website, social media profiles, and other marketing materials. Consistency is key when it comes to building a strong personal brand. Tip number 4 is all about creating quality content. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, always aim to create high-quality content that adds value to your audience. This means doing your research, providing valuable insights, and staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in your industry. Now that you've created great content, it's time to promote it. This is where social media comes in. Use social media platforms such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to promote your content and engage with your audience. Remember to use hashtags and relevant keywords to improve your visibility. Coming up on tip number 6, it's important to network and collaborate with others in your field. Attend industry conferences, join online communities, and collaborate with other bloggers and content creators. This will help you expand your reach and connect with like-minded individuals. Up next, tip number 7 is all about creating a personal website. Your website is your digital home base, and it's a great way to showcase your portfolio, share your story, and connect with potential clients or employers. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Tip number 8 is something that often gets overlooked: have a professional email signature. Your email signature is an opportunity to showcase your personal branding and add a touch of personality to your emails. Include your name, title, and contact information along with your social media links and a call to action. Almost there now. Tip number 9 is to always seek feedback and keep improving. Ask your audience, friends, and mentors for feedback on your content and branding. This will help you identify areas for improvement and refine your personal brand over time. Last but not least, tip number 10 is to be patient and consistent. Building a strong personal brand takes time and effort. Keep creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and refining your brand message. Stay true to your values and purpose, and success will follow. Thanks for watching.